Hello friends, today's presentation is in continuation to my earlier presentation on how information security governance and IT governance can be aligned to each other. In this slide, during our last presentation, we spoke about how IT governance and IT security governance can be aligned. The institutional structure of IT security governance should define the accountability at the IT governance level. Risk governance in the information security governance framework should define the governance structure. The security policies should define the processes at the governance level. Compliance should define the process and procedures to enable this compliance to be achieved of information security governance. On this slide, I am going to provide at a very high level how we can have the alignment to IT security governance and IT governance. First of all, we need to define the information security institutional structure that will comprise of formation of the Information Security Advisory Group, development of IT security governance roles and responsibilities. Other than the Chief Information Security Officer, identification of security champions in various departments. Now, this all will flow into the IT governance accountability. To achieve this, we need to have formation of IT governance structures at different functional levels, development of governance roles and responsibilities in alignment to the IT security governance roles and responsibilities, alignment of reporting of these IT governance roles to the IT security advisory group or the IT security advisory body. Now, some of the IT governance structures which I can suggest is formation of architecture advisory body to formulate your solution architecture, to be sure that the solution architecture for your different requirements is in alignment to the security guidelines. Change approval body to approve any change, any sort of change, major, minor, to the environment. Problem and event monitoring body and crisis management body. All these institutional governance structures should report to the Information Security Advisory Group. Any governance to be implemented in a right spirit, we need to have governance policies. Similarly, information security governance should also have a policy framework to be implemented. It should constitute of security governance policies, security governance processes, and an audit mechanism to ensure that these policies, processes, and procedures are followed. IT governance policy should be derived from the information security governance policies wherever there is an impact of security governance to the IT governance policies. Similarly, as information security governance policy framework, IT governance policy framework should also have policies, process and procedures, and a escalation management process in case where the policies are not followed. How the governance policy framework should be formed, or what should be the structure? The policy governance framework to be implemented needs to have at a high level 3 points or 3 areas. First, development of the policy tree. Second, identification of the policies directly or indirectly dependent on information security governance policy, and they should be linked and derived from the security governance policy. Development of audit mechanism in the policy framework or in the policy process and procedures to facilitate the audit process and ensure that these policies, process and procedures are followed truly in the organization. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel Explore Transformation. Thank you again, and bye bye. Take care.